What's in this box? I got this delivery today from Snake River Farms, one of my favorite places to get steaks from. And we're gonna open it up and reveal what's inside. All right, let me just say first that I ordered this box of meat from Snake River Farms on Saturday. And standard shipping was $10, which is pretty darn good. And they projected it to be here on Wednesday, and guess what? I got it Tuesday morning. This is from a Snake River Farms up to 40% off sale. And I took advantage of it, and we're gonna see what's inside this box. Okay, I got this little guide here, and then I got my invoice, and now we'll see. This is nicely packed here in dry ice, and only one time when I ordered from Snake River Farms have I ever had the ice open up and come out of the package, but it did not adversely affect anything. So I'm gonna sort through this and show you what we got. There's all the dry ice that was packed in the box, and it's still really, really cold. This has actually been sitting in the house for a few hours. I had things to do before I actually opened up the box. So let's see what's inside here. Here's a bag. These bags are great. They give you these reusable bags. Look at that.
Well, I can feel the cold.
Oh yeah. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna take everything out here and we're gonna do the weigh test. Never have I had anything that I ordered from Snake River Farms that was under the estimated weight. So we're gonna do, we have a scale and we're gonna put these on a scale and check them out. Now, before I actually take the stuff out of the bag, I want to say that we had this really good sale here, up to 40% off, and I stacked a $25 off coupon any purchase over $100 that I had. And if you look at the sales at Snake River Farms, you can do really good by they don't always have everything on sale at once, so you got to pick and choose, and then next time they may have a different thing on sale. So I'm a real big fan of the gold Wagyu grade things. And so one of my favorite pieces of steak from Snake River Farms, by the way, is the New York Manhattan fillets. Those are just fantastic. I've had A5 Wagyu from Japan, and I'm not going to say they're as good as it, but for the bang for the buck, those are, to me, the best steaks you can have. The New York fillets, they're just fantastic. So let's see what we got here. These are gold Wagyu tenderloin pieces. Okay. And those are $50 usually, and I got them for $30, 40% off. Okay. I got 2 of them. So these are advertised as 16 ounces. I have my little scale here. Let's see. Yep, just over a pound. Just over a pound. Okay, so these here are boneless New York strip slices. These are the black grade Wagyu. Okay, they didn't have everything I wanted in the gold, so I figured, well, I'll try the black one this time, and it's 40% off again. These are normally $50. I got them for $30. I've got 2 of these. Okay, these are sliced up, so that's gonna be really, put these in a really hot skillet with a little avocado oil maybe, and those are gonna be really good, maybe with some rice or a vegetable salad or something. There you go. Just over a pound. Wow, that's good. Excellent. All right, and the last thing I got this time is some ground beef. I haven't tried their ground beef yet. This was only 10% off, but I figured, well, you know what? I'm going to try it. They also had some really nice looking Denver steaks on sale. So, but I figured I just wanted to try a couple new things here, and look at the ground beef. That's over 1 pound. So I believe I've always gotten my money's worth out of Snake River Farms. The beef is just phenomenal. And if you pick the right cut, there's really not much waste on these things either. Even at regular price, I believe a lot of their products is worth the splurge. But if you can get a sale, 40% off, man, that's really fantastic. So check out my channel for some of, I have some videos of Snake River Farms that I actually cooked. I did reverse sear method, and their stuff is really, really good. I don't get paid or, you know, endorsing these guys. I believe in their product, and you know, let me know what you think. Let me know some of the things that you tried that you really like from Snake River Farms. And until next time, happy eating.